Hi kids! Oh wow! Sea creatures! They all are erasers. Let's open it. Today we will play with it and also learn alphabets, numbers and colors.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4. Sky blue and white, blue and white, green, orange, white, violet. You can also separate their parts. This is a whale shark. This is a seal. This is also a whale shark. This is a dolphin. They are so cute. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya!
Do you like it, kids? Now keep them aside. Dolphin, whale shark, seal, whale shark.
No. Wow! Wow!
So many erasers. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a popsicle. White color, pink color. Wow, ice cream. White color, yellow color. A burger. Do you like them, kids? Wow, a cola drink! Now join them again.
Hiya.
Now keep them aside. Popsicle, burger, ice cream, cola drink. Hi kids. Oh wow, a bunny. This is so cute. A yellow color bunny. Do you like it, kids? You can also open this.
Wow! Wow!
Let's open it.
No. Hiya.
Wow, small candies. Let's join it. Now keep it aside. Today we will learn alphabets. Wow, color pens. Let's learn the colors. Light green color, pink color, red color, yellow color, green color, purple color, blue color, orange color, sky blue color, and our last color pen is sea green color. Let's start. Red. A for apple. Apple is a fruit. Sky blue. B for bison. Bison is an animal. Light green. C for cauliflower. Cauliflower is a vegetable. Purple color. D for dog. Dog is an animal. Pink. E for emu. Emu is a bird. Yellow. F for fig. Fig is a fruit. Orange. G. G for gorilla. Gorilla is an animal. Green. H. H for hornbill. Hornbill is a bird. Blue. I. I for insects. Butterfly is insect. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.